sitting there staring at the clock on the wall. Praying she will come. It's just another call from home. You'll get it and be gone, and I'll be crying. And I'll be begging you, begging not to leave. But I'll leave it till waiting with my heart on my sleeve. Oh, for the next time we'll be here. Seems like a million years, and I think I'm dying. What do I have to do to make you see? She can't love you like me. Why don't you stay? I'm down on my knees. I'm so tired of being lonely. Don't I give you what you need? When she calls you go. There's one thing you should know. We don't have to live this way. Baby, why don't you stay? You keep telling me, baby, there will be no time. And you come and forever be mine. But I don't think that's the truth. And I don't like being used and outside away. Too much pain to have to bear. To love a man you have to share. Why don't you stay? I'm out on my knees. I'm so tired of being lonely. Don't I give you what you need? When she calls you go. There's one thing you should know. We don't have to live this way. Baby, why don't you stay? I can take it any longer, but my will is getting stronger. And I think I know just what I have to do. I can't waste another minute after all that I put in it. Even in my best, why does she get the best of you? Next time you cry, you wanna leave her bed for mine. Why don't you stay? I'm up off my knees. I'm so tired of being lonely. You can give me what